Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AutoCAD Civil 3D Complete Course Lecture number 4. Create our own point style. Thanks a lot for following and subscribing this channel. As you know, we are discussing today our own point style. So why it is important? Because it is a requirement of the sometime the file requirement that what we have to display. But AutoCAD Civil 3D have a very limited options, and when we are creating a point, so this point style, this is the point tool. When this open, then in the point default point style, what is our selection, it will be display on the screen. So another point I am going to mark this point style. So this point number 2, and see the point number, elevation and GL. So this is the point number, elevation and GL, means description. I can change from here. This is the a small dialog box. So if you want only easting and northing, then this is easting northing. So now the display will be changed and it will be shows as a easting and northing only. So this is easting and northing. So now the matter is, what is our requirement? Suppose I need point easting, northing and elevation. So AutoCAD Civil 3D have a list. There is no any option where shows point easting, northing and elevation. Suppose I have point only, I have elevation only and point easting, but different location. How I can create my own point style? This is tool space, and from the tool space, if we open this tool space, this close, and if you click here, then tool space will be open. So tool space have a prospector tab and setting. This will be display, and this is our creation tools for the setting. So first of all, this all visible things are belong to labels. So I will go to the point in setting. First of all, setting, then point and point label. This is a point label. So what is my requirement? Point easting, northing and elevation. So what is the nearby? I think this is a nearby point and easting already available. So I have to copy this. Right click and copy. I can go edit, new or copy. So many options are there, but when I will select copy, means this will be remain as it and my new copy will be created. So this is a new copy, and what I have to change now, I want to change elevation. I want to add elevation. So this is elevation, this is information and name only. So this doesn't matter, any name you can keep here, only N, E and E, also elevation, easting and northing or something, but this is the only name. This is not a setting actually. Where you have to go, this is the layout option. From here there is the contents. So this is the location where you can go and change according to your requirement. So already northing and easting available here. So what is my requirement? I want elevation. So elevation, and here this is the list actually. These are the properties. So many properties are available. Any according to your choice you can select from here. So this is the point elevation what I want to add now, and these are the precisions. So I want to select 3 only, and this is the arrow. If you will not add this arrow, then point will not be displayed on the screen. So first of all, after selection your everything, what is your property and precision, then only you have to press this arrow, then point already created at the moment. So first of all, we will go and we will come back again what I will tell you later. So this apply and OK. So from here now the new point will be visible. See here, point easting and elevation. OK. So now if I will mark any point, then definitely I can see point, elevation, point east, northing, easting and elevation. If I want to change from the northing first and easting first or northing second. So now I have another option, edit, because already point style already created. So first of all information, I have to change this information, easting first, cut this name, no problem. If any, but when once your name will be displayed, then you can easily use accordingly. So this is easting, northing and elevation. Now I have to go. Why I came back here? Because I did not change the colors. These are the original colors. So if I will select here northing, there is a format option. So point style, I want Calibri or any font you want, and color. So now it was color according to its original layer, but now I want to keep it white, and then east for the easting I want same font style, and color I want to keep yellow, and then for the elevation point style same, and color green. So now I can describe my own style according. See, when I once I edit, only just I edit, then everything changed, but nothing is still on the top because I did not change the location of the north. So again I have to go north, edit option, and then from the edit option, contents, and this cut, easting, cut, and before the north you have to press enter, and there will be a space, and now I paste easting on the top, so my display will be changed according to my settings. So now you can see easting, northing and elevation. So apply and okay. Automatically I am in edit option, so this already changed because this read value is in the minus, that's why here is looking some minus sign also, but depend on your values. So this is a style where anywhere we can use this style according. I can add my point style, I can edit if point number, then if if now this is my own style, if I want to add something more, then copy. So now I want to add in the information point number, and in the at the last I want description as well. So description for description. Now this time I copied, so that's why I am going to change the name of the point style. So at the last I want to keep description. Now point, easting, northing, elevation and description, this is the maximum things. So now again I have to go contents, and before the easting I want to keep number, so enter and I get a space. So point number already here, so I have to press this arrow, so point number came. I want to format change, I want to keep it red, any color you can select, and then in the last I want to keep description, so DES also here, I don't know. Okay, anyhow, so description, property from the properties, this is the raw description. I have to select and press arrow, then description also, this is a green color, so this green color I want to change here, cyan. So now point number, elevation, northing is swing. So maximum items are attached, but this is new one because I did not change this style. I edit only. I did not edit, I copy. So I can see here, if I expand little bit, see the point is string northing. So from here I have to select or this point. First of all, I will change from here my desired requirement. So this is now already display point easting northing. Okay, and if I press anywhere, then definitely point will be according to my style. This is the point easting northing and elevation. I have another option. I want to change same style for the all points. My display order I want to same for the all points. Any one of them I can select and select similar option. I will select here. So all points are selected now, and then I have to go to property. So from the property, this is point label. This is varies because so many styles are available on the screen. So from here I can select any one of them. I select what I created just now, and now you can see all point are looking same style, point number, easting, northing, and elevation. I have created 2 point style in this file. If I want to create another file, suppose I have created another file, but if you will go here again setting, you will not find any more style what you created before. Suppose I have setting here, so point style, and see these are the same point style, standard point style of Civil 3D. What I created, these are not visible, so I have to go here on the view, and I want to see my previous file also. So tile vertically, then my both points, both file are visible. So this is drawing 1. These are the points. So I am now on this file. See, this is active. Now I have to go setting, point setting, and then point label. So I drag this style here, and yes to all. Apply duplicate atom. So now my all point what I created before, all everything will be visible on this file also. Point label style you can see here. Point easting northing. This is the drawing 2 number, drawing 2 file. So point easting northing and elevation. So I can draw any point. So I can show also automatic, because if I will keep automatic, then I can save my time. Otherwise I have to say so many things manually. So now I have to select point style. This is point style here. It is not active because the disable description key is false, so I have to change in the true, and from here I have to change my own point style, which is point easting northing and elevation and description. So now anywhere I will click, then I will get point style. This is the point style what I created in previous file, but now it is visible in this file. So this is the point style. I am going to attach this file for your practice. In the description key, please find attachment and make a practice. In this file also I am attaching all the default list which you can find AutoCAD Civil 3D, and these are the kind of style which are available. This is first of all description, elevation and description, elevation only, and northing and easting and point number. And then we have another option in AutoCAD Civil 3D, point number, elevation and description, and then point number and description. These are all default style you can find in any AutoCAD Civil 3D. If you want to create your own, you can follow this lecture according to I explain. If you have any doubt, please comment.